Okay guys, I know that you want me to start digging into all the new goodies, and I promise you I will. But did you know that there was even more besides the firmware and the Mobile Pro Control apps? Something that was left out of the big announcement somehow. I don't know how this got left out of the promotion, but in this video, I'm promoting it. If you have the Pro Control app installed on at least one device, go to the cloud on that device and click on Artist. Take a look at the new artist presets that just got uploaded. We have 28 new presets from artists like Steve Stevens, Jim Root from Slipknot, BB Marin from Rake, Taylor Danley, Rob Arnold, formerly from 6 Feet Under, Vanessa Zamora, Fluff, Diamond Rowe and Josh Four from Tetrarch, and Joey Concepcion from Arch Enemy. Let's go over them briefly so you can see what you get. Steve Stevens Marsh Plexi, Steve Stevens Clean Tone, Jim Root's Live Rig Heavy Tone, Kepin BB Crunch, Good Wholesome Clean Fun by Taylor Danley, Jim Root's Live Rig Clean Tone, Rob Arnold's Main Rhythm Tone, a Vanessa Zamora preset, the visual image of how Vanessa Zamora's guitar sounds. A clean sound but with a sound identity that runs through their albums. Mystical Chugs by Taylor Danley. Fluff Recto Half Stack. Fluff EVH Chugs. Lead Toys by Taylor Danley. Parasite Lead by Diamond Rowe. Rob Arnold's Main Lead Tone. Joey Concepcion's Lead Tone. Rhythm Tone by Diamond Rowe. Thrashmaster by Taylor Danley. And another Taylor Danley, Mean and Aggressive. Another Taylor Danley, Classy Chugs. Rob Arnold's Clean Tone. Creepy Tone by Diamond Rowe. Modulated Clean Delay by Josh Four. Rob Arnold's Harmonized Lead Tone. Rob Arnold's Octave Lead Tone. Rob Arnold's Crunch Tone. Rob Arnold's Flanger Tone. Rob Arnold Drop Tune 01. Takes my main rhythm tone from drop C to drop B. And Rob Arnold's Drop Tune 02 takes his main rhythm tone from drop C to drop A. Now think about this. You can check out and dissect these artists' Tone Master Pro presets to see how the artists actually craft their tone. And if you find a particular effect setting that really works for you, you can save those settings as a preset. Now all this, and it's totally free. According to Max Gutnick from Fender, they're just getting started with artist presets. And just in case I didn't make it clear, these are presets that the artists themselves created. Fender didn't make these. Steve Stevens and the others made them. And these are presets that they actually use. In addition to the new artist presets, Fender has also created a dedicated web page for the Tone Master Pro. I'll have a link in the description. It has 5 sections: Overview, Features, How To, What's New, Artist Spotlight, and Downloads. Let's go over each section just to see what's there. There's the features. And of course, nothing like having an ad to show you the stuff that's available for the Tone Master Pro. How To. Now this, I think, is a really interesting section. Let me pull these up. We have 8 different videos that Fender has made. The first one is how to record via USB. Then we have how to update your firmware, manage favorite presets, song and setlist mode, how to use the FS mode foot switch, create expression and pedal toe switch assignments, create and save presets, and tap/tuner foot switch. And down in what's new, it gives an update about firmware version 1.3. Here we have Artist Spotlight. We have 4 videos here. Tone Master Pro Unleashed with Cam Griffin, Tone Master Pro Unleashed with Jeff Loomis, Tone Master Pro Unleashed with Mike Stringer, and I gotta say probably my favorite, Pete Thorne puts the Tone Master Pro to the test. And here's some information on the artist presets and what people are saying. And then we have the download section. We have the firmware release notes, the Mac version of the Pro Control app, the PC version of the Pro Control app, the Windows ASIO audio driver, the owner's manual in English, firmware update instructions, and the Tone Master Pro model guide. Now, I do plan on making some demos in the upcoming weeks, but in the meantime, I wanted to post this video that Sheldon Fisher posted on the Fender Tone Master Pro Facebook group the other day. Sheldon gets all sorts of funky on here, so kick back and enjoy.
Hey guys, real quick, you're not gonna see my face as much. I am just doing an iPhone video, and I want to show off the new Fender Blonde. It's amazing. It sounds so good. I'm just gonna play a couple little funk rhythms. I'm gonna stay in the key of I'm gonna move around D minor. I might go B minor. Just depends. I'm gonna start off in D, but here's the amp just by itself. Can't really see it on here, but. Dude, that sounds so good. Now I'm going to add a little phaser. I'm sorry. I already got it set. So that's the new small phase, or small phaser, Little Rock. What is yeah, the Little Rock phaser. Man, this thing sounds so good. Let me see, I'm gonna go up a little bit. I'm using my Fender FR speaker. Without it. Oh, that sounds crazy good. I love my favorite delay in the world, and I'm gonna be honest with you. It's the Boss delay, the analog delay. Is one of my favorite ones, and I'm gonna use the new Super Drive. Look how good this sounds together. Drive. Also, the Rocket Man sounds, it's kind of like plug and play. I turn the volume down just a little bit. I bring the volume down. What do I bring here? Because it's kind of a loud pedal. Well, for my rig it is. I just bring it down to 17. All right, so here we go. Rocket. I didn't even do anything to the pedal. I just turned it on and just dropped the volume down by, I think it's at 21, maybe the level. Brought it down to about 17. And man, you cannot beat that.
Now this firmware update just keeps getting better and better. And honestly, I will be going over all the new items in the next few weeks, so stay tuned. But I wanted to give a special thanks to Sheldon Fisher for that demo that he posted. If that didn't get your toes tapping, buddy, you better check to see if you have a pulse. Now Sheldon posted a couple new presets on the cloud. One is called Fender New Blonde, and the other is called Dirty Orange. Definitely check them out. Now, if you're still here, thank you so much for stopping by and sticking around. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, let me know. Drop me a line and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Now, next Wednesday, I will be having all new content. You don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, have an absolutely fantastic weekend, and I'll be talking with you again next week.